In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best meter discount promo code. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for meter discount promo code. Right here, go to this website, which is called simplycodes.com. And as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that you can use in order to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get this one with 15% discount right here, all you need to do is just tap right here to copy the promo code. So I'm just waiting for the page to load up and the promo code will show up right here. As you can see, this is a promo code. I can tap right here to copy this one and use it in order to get the discount. Also, we have this website right here, which is called retrieve.com. And right here, we have some promo codes as well. For example, if you want to get this one with 20% discount right here, all you need to do is tap on the button where it says copy code. And this is the promo code right here. You can simply copy this promo code and you can use this one on your next purchase in order to get that discount. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.